Let's experience the newest Jollibee in Malabon, the Jollibee Al Fresco.
Drive-thru na lang.
How can you eat? Hayan nga at nagtatalo kami ni Kuya Jello kung dine-in or drive-thru. Pero syempre, masusunod pa rin ang magbabayad, kaya dine-in kami. In fairness napakabilis ng service ng Jollibee Al Fresco. Yan kasi ang pinakaayaw ni Kuya Jello, yung nag-aantay siya ng food and it will take too long para maghintay siya. Kaya dito natuwa siya kasi ang bilis-bilis ng kanilang service. Kaya ayan, happy sila. Let's eat, guys! And syempre, after eating, since this is our first time in Al Fresco, of course, hindi mawawala ang picture taking with Jabi Jabi. And you know what, guys? The two men, I have this feeling na sila yung may-ari ng Al
Dari
Fresco.
sa video
So, I have to cover their identity. Baka syempre kuyugin sila ng,
Hi, Daddy.
So, what are you waiting for, guys? Tara na sa Jollibee Al Fresco. Thank you for watching. God bless. Enjoy the rest of the day. Happy Monday.
Love is everywhere. Love is everywhere.